大家好 Welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 minutes YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn a common sentence structure using verb plus 错了 to mean made a mistake or incorrectly in English. Let us get started.
这里没有姓李的，你打错了，你打错电话了。
When someone or you yourself called the wrong number, the verb to use is 打 plus 错了. You can say 打错电话了 or just say 打错了.
你把表格填错了，
When filling up a form, the verb to use is 填, and when you have done it wrongly, you say 填错了,填错了.
你拿错了饭盒，
Take in Chinese is 拿. So when you take something by mistake, you can say 拿错了. In the example, 你拿错了饭盒, you can also say 你拿错饭盒了.
你搞错了，升职的不是我。
The verb 搞 in English has the meaning of to do or to make. So when you have made a mistake, you can use the verb 搞 plus 错了.
听说你有女朋友了，
你听错了，我没有。
The verb 听 means to hear. When you have heard something wrongly, you can use the verb 听 plus 错了,听错了.
你这个字写错了，
写 which means to write. When you have written something wrongly, use the verb 写 plus 错了.
妈妈，我肚子疼。
你该是吃错东西了。
When you have eaten the wrong thing that causes you to have a stomach ache, you can use the verb 吃 plus 错了. However, you need to add 东西 after 错 when you want to say you have eaten the wrong thing. We normally don't say 吃错了. You can say 你该是吃错什么了. Literally means you must have eaten something wrong.
前面那个男孩不是玛丽的男朋友吗？
不可能，你一定是看错了。
Mistaken identity. When you have gotten the wrong person, you can use the verb 看 plus 错了. You can say 看错了, or you can also say 看错人了. 看错 can also be used when you have read a sign wrongly or word wrongly. 看错字了.
彼得，生日快乐！你记错了，今天不是我的生日。
The verb for remember is 记. So when you have remembered something wrongly, you can use 记 plus 错了,记错了.
你把篮子放错房间了，
When you have placed or put something in an incorrect place, the verb to use is 放 plus 错了,放错了.
你用错杯子了，
Has someone used your cup by mistake? If this happens again, you can say 用错了,用错杯子了.
你怎么这么不听话？
我知错了，爸爸，我下次不敢了。
When you get scolding by your parents and you want to apologize, you can use 知错了,知错了 or 知道错了. Summary. When you want to express something you have done wrongly in Chinese, do remember this sentence structure. Verb which is 动词 plus 错了。希望你们喜欢今天的视频，我们下星期见。